Welcome. Settle yourself into a comfortable seated position. You may sit on the floor or on a chair. Rest your hands in either your lap or on your knees. And when you are ready, gently close your eyes. Take a couple of deep, soothing breaths, breathing in through your nose and breathing out through your mouth. Continue like this on your own for a few moments, tapping into the inner stillness that is always available for you. Feel the space that you're in. Begin to focus on the present moment. Focus on the stillness that is growing outside and within you. And come to the breath. As you follow the gentle breath coming and going, we will be scanning the body part by part, noticing any sensations that may stand out to you and allow them to soften with the breath. Let's start from the top of the head. Notice any sensations here. Any tightness, tension, swirling. Slowly move down to your forehead, noticing this area. Relax the space between the eyebrows where it may be holding tension. Moving your attention down to the eyes. Feeling your eyelids becoming heavier as they rest. Moving down to the area around the nose. The tip of the nose, the sides, and the upper lip. Notice if there's any sensations here, especially when you breathe in. And when you breathe out, move your gentle attention down to your throat and neck, unclenching your jaw. And on your next exhale, release all tension that was held in your face. Now, bring your attention to the chest, noticing the soft beating of your heart, observing this tender area. And remember that we are not trying to make these sensations go away. We are simply being with them within loving awareness. Moving down to the upper abdomen now, noticing any sensations here. And down to the lower abdomen, directing peace and relaxation towards the entire body now. Being kind and gentle to yourself. And if you experience discomfort, allow it to be there. Allow any sensations to come and go as it pleases, just like a guest in your own home. When you mindfully tune into your heart, and when you separate from your thoughts and emotional reactions, only then can you discover that the heart has a very clear, subtle way of telling you what it truly wants. In other words, this is paying attention to our judgment before we make important choices in our lives. If we incorporate mindfulness into the choices we make, we become better at recognizing our judgment more clearly, which turns us into the right direction. A response from the heart can tell you what is truly best for you. You may notice sensations or feelings of opening, relaxing, and warmth. Whereas if you experience sensations or feelings of closing, hardening, or pulling back, your heart may not be in the right place. Mindfulness is the very basis for which this approach to making serene decisions stems. It creates room to pause and reflect before we act, so that we can make the right decisions for our lives. And as this practice draws to an end, bring your awareness back to the flow of the breath. Begin to stretch your body gently. Wiggle your toes. Move your head from side to side. Give your shoulders a little shrug. And when you are ready, open your eyes